14. Okay, have a look. This same question number 14 also belongs to the same module, that is problem solving and data analysis, and from that part it belongs to the percentage. Okay, so actually percentage comes under the arithmetic part. So see, this module has two parts, one is problem solving and one is data analysis. So arithmetic, that means the percentage comes under the problem solving part. Okay, now have a look what question number 14 is saying. So it is saying in a group 40% of the items are red. Okay, now the percentage of the items which are being read is what? 40%. Now, of all the red items in the group, 30% also have stripes. Okay, now it is not saying like in total 30% have stripes. No, we have in total 40% of the items which are red. Okay, and from those 40%, that means 30% of those 40% have stripes. Are you getting my point? Okay, now let me just conclude this question till now. See, I'm going to assume that the total number of items are 100 only. Okay, so if 100 items are there, so 40% of them are red. Okay, so I'm going to have a 40% there and remaining 60% there. Okay, so 40% of them which are red, so can't I say 40 of them would be red? Of course I can say so. See, red items would be what? 40 out of this 100. Okay, now the question is saying out of those red items 30% have the stripes. Are you getting my point? So now from this 40, 30% have stripes. Okay, so from this 40 as well, we are going to have the division as 30% and 70%. Okay, so 30% are the one which have stripes. So let me just write down which have stripes. So what is the 30% of 40? So can't I say 12 is the one which is the 30% of 40? Okay, so till now we can say the items which are red is 40, and out of those those red items which have stripes, these are 12. Okay, now the question is asking what percentage of the items in the group are red and have stripes. Okay, so have a look. Can't I say these 12 are the ones which are red and have stripes? Okay, now it is asking about the percentage from the total group. Okay, so in a group, how many elements we have marked? We have marked 100 elements. Okay, so out of 100, 12 are the ones which are red and striped. So can't I say the percentage, the required percentage would be 12 upon 100 into 100. So definitely I can say 12% are the ones which are red and have stripes. Okay, so that has to be your final answer. So is there any option which is saying so? So of course, okay, so this question is of course going to be the important one. Why so? Because this chart is going to be the main key here. Okay, you have to understand this whole chart, like what the question is asking. Okay, so it's just like just assume the total number of elements is 100 only, so that it will reduce some of the calculation. Okay, so that is how we need to proceed with these kind of basic questions. I hope this important, easy, and interesting question number 14 is clear to everyone. Clear? Okay, guys.